Hi guys, it's the D-Waves, and today I'm going to be making slime. So what you're going to need is glue, and we're going to see if these work. We don't know. And if you want, you can use shaving cream. I might. So just depends on what the glue looks like.
Might pull it up.
Nope. Let's see if it works. I'm just going to add that much glue to see if it works. No, move. Molly. I don't know if it's going to work. She's
Tell me how much.
Okay, stop. Stop. Wait, just set it down.
You might as well just put it all in there.
No, it's
No,
because you gotta make the right consistency. Put some more glue. And if you tap off the glue.
no, wait. That one. Okay. Yeah, it worked. Okay, can you go like all this?
Works, huh?
It worked.
It won't come out then. You want me to get Jake to get it?
Yeah, can you get that, Jake? And now we're going to see if it works with shaving cream.
I'm gonna get your towel.
Just squeeze it.
Okay.
Because I can't, you all got it all slick and stuff already. I can't even, let me see one.
This is going to take forever.
It really don't taste the same as it used to.
You just taste it?
Huh?
You just tasted it?
Oh, Elmer's glue used to be the best.
You just tasted the glue?
Or Tide Pods, for that matter. And don't eat Tide Pods, kids. Because you'll prove Darwin's theory correct. And Nessie's out there. The CIA knows where she's at. And there is such thing as Sam Squinches.
What is that?
Bigfoot.
Tell him your Jake's crazy.
He's crazy.
In 1939.
You should talk about it.
Can you be quiet? I'm making a video here.
She's sweet. You are aunt and uncle.
Mama, can you help me?
What are we doing?
Put the
Just want to
glue.
squeeze the glue, so.
So the
Tell me
slime,
when.
just pour the whole entire.
Wait. No, we're gonna use that later.
When was that? Here,
Here, I think that's enough.
so we make 2 batches.
Yeah. Well, and then we're gonna try that. Just because it's cool.
What triangle? Elmer's glue.
Are we gonna mix it?
Yeah. We need a little bit of this guy.
Oh, hang on.
Hard.
Yeah.
Not the whole lot. That's when. That's when
That's pretty.
it's GG same color. It's gonna turn green.
Mm-hmm.
Did you mix that stuff in with it?
I have a lot of little ones if
It's
it
gonna look
works.
like big boogers.
Boogers.
Don't you put more of that Tide in it?
We didn't put tab in it.
That's because we gotta do that at the last.
I have more fillers. They're just little ones.
Can you give me some more colors, please? Thank you. So this is kind of turning like a lime green. Look like pepper color.
It probably smells good.
Okay.
gotta put some more of that Tide in it. That's why it's not getting thick.
No, Jake, you gotta do that the last. You gotta add all your stuff in.
You're not adding the right stuff in.
Okay.
I'm the slime master,
cool.
okay? I can
You don't
make
know
enough.
anything about slime, Jake.
Oh,
Anything.
oh, son, you don't know nothing.
I'm not a boy. So you know.
Whatever.
Just so you know.
I could done have this whole house
We're
full of
not.
slime.
Okay, those are all the lettering colors.
Here, I would mix this one.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like the same color.
Silver. No, sorry. We gotta do the glue first because, like, I want to.
Now, let me ask you something. What in the world did you have that sitting around for?
What?
Those?
Huh?
I use my
You want to put a
glue
little bit of dark green in? Try to make it a little bit more green?
I want to do dark green
Oh. Which one?
on the top. Here, can
Bottom?
you- I want this one.
Yeah.
You put the lid on one of them. It's the silver. And then you can put the lid on the green. This is such a pretty color.
Oh, that is green.
Now I want some pink.
I thought we were making green. If you mix pink in, it's not going to be the same color.
Pink.
Can we try to make a green one?
Yeah, this
It's
is
going
that.
to be silly colored.
Okay, I'm gonna use pink for
Mm.
the next one too.
That's what I mean. We got to save it. 'Cause we got lots of green.
We got too much green.
We got,
So pretty.
oh, it is pretty.
Pretty. Told you.
Let's set all that. Oh, look at all that. That's on the spoon. I thought I had just glitter.
Oh,
I wonder if I have food coloring.
that would be so pretty. 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 What?
Oh, nothing. I'm just sitting here being goofy old Jake. That's it.
Tell Jake to be quiet now. Trying to do a video here.
Video. You better learn how to edit that video. I think you're kind of piecing it together here. There wasn't no preparation made.
We're just going to ignore you. I'm sorry for the background noise. Just listen to me.
You have this now. We found back.
And you know what?
But
November 29th, 1969.
you got
You're out of
no glue.
accoutrement. You better put your stuff in there.
What? Now I'm adding gold.
Damn, who you making that for? Snoop Dogg or something? You used all of it. Why would you do that? Now you're being silly. Who's gonna watch this video? This is embarrassing. I mean, you're just squeezing all of it in there. Now you don't have no more. squeeze all of them in there. Don't waste them. Don't waste them. You're wasting them.
No, I'm just doing a little bit of pink.
You haven't even got it mixed up yet, though, honey. You don't know what color it's gonna be.
I do.
No, that ain't how it works.
Alright.
I need you to put the lid on them too.
Did we already put the tide in?
No.
No.
Okay.
Did you have food coloring?
Nope.
You did?
No.
Okay.
Put your tide in first
Yeah.
and see what color it's gonna be.
Put your tide in first.
It's coming out that hole. Just dump it. It'll come out.
Just put it on.
No, it's not going to turn out right, Jake. You don't know how to do this. Let me see.
I'm telling you, I'm the slime master. You need more tide. Let it rip. There you go. Now you're dripping with
Yeah,
kerosene.
I'm just trying to do
That's what it's for. Just get your fingers.
No.
It's all over you anyway. Now you're gonna waste all that.
Wouldn't that be fun with that color?
Let's see, swing.
Take your finger and wipe that out. Wipe this thing off. There's all kinds of blood on it. You gonna do it with your hands? I'm gonna get this out of here.
Remove the bow. Yo.
We don't have any more room
Room for what?
to move the bow.
Try to keep that on that cutter. See, I'm estimating it's gonna take about all that. You're getting it too close to that edge, push it compared to what you know. Knead it like pizza dough. Knead it. Knead it. There you go. See, look at that slime action. See, I told you. Oh, I just knew that was getting ready to go in one of y'all's eyes.
It didn't. It didn't go in my eyes though. Okay, this did not work.
What are we missing?
I think you need a little more cream in it.
What kind of cream?
Shaving cream. It needs to be puffed
Did
up.
somebody add too much shaving cream, please?
Is that what it is?
Just
I
add
don't
some more
think the
shaving
gel's
cream.
what you need.
Just add some more shaving cream.
Make it foam up. There you go. See, make it foam
Are we sure it's not glue?
Yeah, it's a
Because this is
glue.
gel glue. This is a different kind of glue.
Oh, so you got too much scotch. You need you need a thicker man compared.
Yes, you do not know how to do this.
Oh
This is
man, I
a-
told you I'm a slime master.
Heck no. What did we do wrong?
Okay, it's all the glitter. So we need to just wipe all this off my hands, wipe this off the tray, and then just add normal glue and just add some
Well,
Tide.
quit flicking your fingers.
So you wasted is what you're saying. You still got a bunch of stuff over there on this far side that ain't even mixed in yet. It
Yeah,
might end up
look.
working out once it dries up some.
Pull that over there. See how that?
Take it and put the edge of your hand down and make it like a spreader.
Lord have mercy.
Put a big pile of it. Make it and scrape it all in the middle.
Dale, where'd you get this glue from?
Out of my drawer.
No, like, what,
I
like,
don't know.
where'd you buy it?
I don't know where you buy your glue. Special glue store?
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, where's that at?
Walmart.
Ella, look what you're doing.
I'm trying to do it.
Where's the
Well,
color?
just stop for a sec. We don't have any coloring. Jacob, we're gonna need your help because I can't turn the stuff off or anything.